everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm just going to be showing you guys what is in my backpack. This is the backpack that I have been using for 3 or 4 years now. I have a ton of what is in my backpack videos featuring this backpack. It is just the newer version of a North Face RECON, and I got it from Dick's Sporting Goods, and it's just like a purple berry color and mint blue, and it will be linked in the description box for you guys. And I'll do my best to try and link anything in my bag as well, but I haven't cleaned my bag out since the semester started, which was back in January, and my bag has just gotten really heavy and filled up with stuff that probably doesn't need to be in there. So I figured, why not clean it out on camera so you guys can see what is in there. So without further ado, let's get started. I figured I would start by going around the outside of my bag, and the first thing I have on the little North Face loop is just a Purell hand sanitizer, and this is in the Be Vibrant one. And then over in the first water bottle pocket, I just have my cell phone. I have the iPhone 7 Plus with a pink glittery spec case and a pop socket. And then this side normally has a water bottle in it because I bring a water bottle with me every day to school. However, it is currently in the dishwasher, so it's not in there. And then there's also this front like bungee pocket, and I'm just going to take everything out and go through it. So this is all the stuff that is in that front bungee pocket. I have a concealer. This is just the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and I need to go get a new one. This is like my 4th one, and I am in the shade Fair. I absolutely love this concealer. It's one of the only face makeup products that I'll actually splurge on. Then I just have my current favorite mascara. This is the CoverGirl The Supersizer Waterproof Mascara in Very Black. This is just what the wand looks like. It's really weird. It like tapers upwards, kind of like a curling wand that tapers. I have my Holy Grail lip product. This is just the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Rome. I've been using this for years now, and I can't even begin to tell you what tube number I'm on of this. It is a really nice neutral color that isn't too dark, but isn't too light, but isn't too neutral, if that makes sense. And it lasts almost all day. I have a hand cream, which I need to switch out. This is just one of the Bath & Body Works hand creams, and this one is in Snowy Morning. I have a cuticle cream. This is just the Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream. And then lastly in that pocket, I just have some eye drops. These are just the Visine Advanced Redness and Irritation Relief because I do have spring allergies. Now we're going to move on to this little zippered pocket here on the outside, and looks can be deceiving. You're all going to be shocked by the amount of stuff I actually have in this pocket. First off, I just have my headphones. These are my Bluetooth headphones, and they're the Beats earbuds. Mine are just rose gold, and I got them last year. I have the charger for my Beats. I have a label from a Hypodermic Needle Pro Edge. This is obviously from class. We are told to hang on to these because normally we write what we're injecting, where we're injecting, the date and the time, and the expiration and the lot number on the back of that. Quick life hack for you guys. I didn't write anything on this one, but I kept it for some reason. I have my backup charger. This is just the Bando Charge Me Up, I want to say. That's probably not the name. And it just says free refills, and I love this. I got it at Marshall's on sale for I think $5, and it just looks like this. It is so convenient. I love how slim it is, and it can charge your phone fully in less than an hour. I have a chapstick. This is the Nivea A Kiss of Milk and Honey Soothing Lip Care. I have some Tic Tacs. These are the Frosty Mint ones. They are new. They are so delicious. That's disgusting. I have half a Clif Bar from God knows when, and it is in Cool Mint Chocolate. These are the only ones I'll eat. I have a hair tie and another hair tie. I have some unused flossers, another unused flosser, 3 Jolly Ranchers, another hair tie, and 30 cents. Moving into the smaller of the bigger pockets, it has like some sort of organization. I don't really use it. I kind of just throw everything in this part. First up, I have my planner. This is just one of the 5-star academic planners. I cannot say enough good things about this planner. I have a deodorant. This is the Axe Apollo deodorant. I have the little wall plug to an iPhone charger, but I don't have an actual iPhone charger in my bag other than my Beats one. And this one just has a little fishy attachment to it, and you can like wrap the cord around it or rest your phone here. I have some extra strength headache relief, and this one has caffeine in it. I have my EpiPen. It is right in here, and I just have the AviQ, and obviously it is in this cute little polka dot bag, and this is from Allergy Apparel. I've worked with them many times before. Back when I used the regular EpiPen, I had this, but it was the long version to hold them, and this is just their Carry-All Polka, and this one obviously is for the AviQ. You can also store your insurance card in it and Benadryl. I have my stethoscope, and I just have the Littmann Classic 3, and I also have this little bag which has my blood pressure cuff in it, and mine is one of the ADC the American Diagnostic Corporation AD cuffs. This is what it looks like. The lady at the store told me they would match and that they were the same color. I beg to differ. And lastly, we are now going to move into the big pocket. So right on top in there, I just have my pencil box. A lot of people use like the zippy pencil cases, but this year I went back to using a actual plastic pencil box. Let's get some ASMR action in here. Anyways, like I was saying, I did go back to one of these. It holds so much more, and you can literally put it on your desk and you have access to everything. I have my CPT manual for our billing and coding and insurance class. I am not a fan of this book, let me tell you. I do not do well with CPT coding. I'm fine with ICD-10s, but HCPCS and CPT, I just get really lost. I just have what I call my everything notebook, and this is just a Vera Bradley notebook. I got it on sale for like $3 one day at TJ Maxx, and I really like it. No idea what the print is. It's set up in a Cornell Notes style, which is really nice. I have my folder for billing and coding, which is actually quite empty. I have a few papers, and then I have our study notes that our teacher gives us, but other than that, we don't get much in that class. It's mostly like online stuff, which is nice. I have my clinical binder. It's just one of the 1.5-inch Staples Better binders, and this is obviously pink because that's the color I chose for clinical. And then this is just what it looks like on the inside. I do have dividers, and I do like the folder dividers the best. And the last thing in my entire backpack is just my laptop, and I have a MacBook Air, and I have this Next case on it, which I really like, and then I have a bunch of stickers. I absolutely love this case. You could drop your laptop. I have before. Not purposely, accidentally obviously, because I'm usually pretty careful, but one day it did slip out of my hands. But this case is super duper protective, and nothing happened to my laptop. So that is everything that is currently in my backpack, and most of it no longer will be. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love if you'd become part of the Allie Packer squad. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!